All right, guys, I'm about to go in the house. Let's see what these kiddos doing. Gonna give you live, exclusive, uncut, raw footage. Here you go. Mama put something on the back of my truck. I'm trying to see what it is. All right, we about to step inside here. I need y'all to excuse the mess, because it might be a little mess. Here we go. Let's see what's popping. Sleep. 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 Up playing the game. Mama right here, looking for something to eat. Let's see what the girl's doing. Sleep. Sleep. Yeah, she sleep. She sleep. Yeah, she sleep. She sleep. Sleep. Just to let y'all know, it's 12:58, and they all still in the bed.